Welcome back to my channel, guys. Y'all know who it is. EJ Food. Today, what am I coming in with? Something good, but something simple. I made burgers for the family. Lunchtime it is. Here in Houston, the Houston area, family, it's rainy, but it's not cold, it's not hot. So, I decided to get some hot Cheetos, family. Some cheese right here. Alright, and some fries. Alright, family. So, y'all about to eat lunch? Come on. You know what? Alright, family. Alright. Let's dip this in here. Oh yeah, I'm making a mess here, family. Look at this. Oh yeah. Let me know in the comments below who's done this before, family. I wanted to try it. I've been seeing. Oh, no tea right here. Sorry, I didn't put it. Let me know in the comments, family, if you have done this before. Let's get that cheese, family. Boy, look at that mess, man. Look at this. Let me in the comments below, family. Let me know what y'all think about this. Yeah, I've done it before. Thank you. I want to say thank you very much, family, for the support and love just show me and care about me. Thank you. I watch all the comments, family. Let's get that cheese, family. Let's get that cheese. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. I'm making a mess, family. In the comments below, family, let me know if you have done this before, or y'all know somebody that does that. What do y'all like on y'all burgers? Comment down below in the comments below, family. Let me know. What do y'all like? In the comments below, like I said, let me know what's your favorite spot for burgers, and I'll try it out. I'm making a mess. I've seen people do it, family, and I'm like, let me try it. I just want to see this, family. And it's rainy too here in the Houston area, family. Oh, it's a mess, family. It's a good mess. I like Whataburger, family. I like Burger King, McDonald's. I like the chicken nuggets from McDonald's. In the comments below, family, let me know. Sorry, let me know. What do y'all like? Where do y'all like it from? And I might just do it, family. Go ahead. Ooh, look at that.
Which one?
Feel me? Come say hi.
Hello. Tap on Minecraft sword.
And I got my burger here, family.
What?
Bájale. One out of 10, a 10, family. $100% recommended.
You want to try it? Please.
Come here.
What's that?
It's a burger with hot Cheetos.
That's good.
One out of 10, 10 good.
I give it 5.5 out of 10.
So this one's good, family. I recommend it. Try it, family. Try it. I'm making a mess here.
Did they have cheese?
Yeah, cheese.
Maybe that's what it's cheese.
So in the comments below, family, let me know what kind of burger would y'all want me to try or make homemade or something, family. I bought these off fresh Amazon Fresh, family, yesterday, and I'm like, we'll make burgers. Oh man, I'm making a mess. So I'm like, I'm gonna add hot Cheetos to this, family, and just cheese and fries. So in the comments below, family, let me know what kind of burger should I try, or where do y'all like to get your favorite burger from? Cause I'm up for a new challenge, family, to trying new things, new burgers, new food, different cultures of food, family. So yeah, in the comments below, let me know what would y'all recommend me to go try. If it gets good likes, I will go try it out, family. Or if y'all tell me, hey, go here, go there, go here, I'll do it. Alright, family. So this was good. It has cheese and it had cheese. It just had queso for dipping cheese, family. I mean chips and all that. And I added hot Cheetos to my burger, family. 1 out of 10 for me. I give it a 10. But you heard my son. My son, it was all right. But family, I hope you had fun hearing this little chit chat game with me, lunch. So don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.